I'm Jane Esselstyn.
Oh, and I'm Ann Esselstyn with ashes, because Jane gave me this spoon that I was supposed to stir with, and this spoon.
Here's another. She thinks that my silver's too dark.
This spoon, I don't like it. So there's this coolest trick. If you get ashes and just some paper towel
and water,
and just a little water, and you can make any kind of silver polished to the most beautiful silver. And look, here this spoon is now beautiful. Well, almost beautiful.
Okay, thank you, Mary Poppins.
Woo! Look,
that is actually really shiny.
It is so much fun. It's just
and it's so
wonderful.
Cheap. Ashes from our fireplace. Okay, onward with our. The next recipe is not from our Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease cookbook. It's from the Engine 2 cookbook, but it is absolutely a plant-perfect recipe, and it's called Kickin' Corn Muffins.
Plant-perfect because it also has a very shiny silver spoon.
Perfectly shiny spoon. Kickin' Corn Muffins. If you have this book, it's on page 111. And the reason I'm doing this right now is actually because I want to correct something in this book. I don't like how it says to wait for 5 minutes when you have your water and your flax together, because if you do that, there's not enough water in the recipe. You have to do it fast. So the fact that the oven's ready to go, this is going to go fast. This is cornmeal, coarse cornmeal. It doesn't matter. It says corn flour there. Doesn't matter. Oat flour.
Am I supposed to stir?
Stir it up a little if you don't mind. And there you go. We're going to put some rising agent in there. And
what did you put in?
Baking soda. And then here's the flaxseed meal. I'm putting it in now. I'm not putting it in with the water first because it got too. It's amazing how powerful flaxseed meal is. It gets so gelatinous. So I'm going to add the water and maple syrup, and then that's done. There's the recipe. Lickety split. Almost as quick as Mary Poppins can clean the tarnish off of a silver spoon. Okay.
And then
flaxseed meal, by the way, is different than flaxseed. Flaxseed meal is ground up. It is
and you know, the problem with flaxseed meal, the whole flax seeds, if you eat them, they go right through you. So you need to grind them.
Okay, speaking of grind, let's get right away on this stuff. Okay. So will you load them up into the wells of, this is, she gave me this one Christmas. This is a gold color, not gold, cupcakes, or tin. Where'd you get it? Williams Sonoma?
Williams Sonoma.
Williams Sonoma.
But I've got something that I've had for probably 50 years that I think is the best nonstick of all. It's not, this is quite deep, and mine is quite shallow.
Oh, you have a little shallow one.
A little shallow one, and it's so good. Everything just falls right out.
It's almost like a tiger colored.
How full do you want these?
That's good. That's good. That looks good.
So.
And the oven is at 400, and we're going to bake these for, I believe, 18 minutes. Hey, hold on. Kickin' Corn. Oh, sorry. 350 for 18 minutes. All right, let me make sure I'm at 350.
And I would also suspect that you could use a whole lot less maple syrup than you used. Maybe not, but I would think.
If you find it too sweet, add a little more water and a little less maple syrup, and that will probably equal out the fluid needed. And
ooh,
are we going to do it?
We're going to make it. We're going to make it. If we had one of those little scrapers, we would make it. Those little scrapers.
Here's a big scraper. Here's a big scraper.
Woohoo! That's going to be.
Here, we'll get every last little bit, and I bet we can fill that last well, at least to the point where it doesn't seem like it's the runt.
This is another spoon I just shined.
She's
beautiful. It was a baby spoon.
She's so proud. So proud. Okay, does that look like it's equal to its friends? Oh, here's a little bit. Okay, in this goes for 18 minutes at 350, and we're off. Oh, it's ready, it's ready, it's ready. Oh, look at this batch. Don't those look delicious?
Ooh-hoo.
They do, they do, they do. That's hot, hot.
No, I'm just thinking.
Well, okay, let's go with the rubberized one.
I don't know. That was my birthday present to
I know, you
you.
gave it to me yesterday. Oh my God, my microphone. I have a rubber spatula in the sink.
Look, look, it comes right out.
Okay, okay. It's going to be
It's
so
a
hot.
good little, oh, almost. One little piece stuck in.
Well, these are so delicious, and I'm going to crack it open right here. And it is just, oh, this just screams fall, comfort, yummy. What would you want to have on yours? I would want to have like a raspberry jam. I love when it's sort of coarse. You can still taste the coarse. Here, wait, try that. Hey, those look great. All right, hey, son, try one. Try a bite. Try a bite. What would you like to have on it? I want raspberry jam. What do you want to have on it?
Just maybe, you know, just a slice of banana. Yeah, that would be, oh, peach, a slice of peach. I mean, any whole fruit would be. A
Taste it
grape.
first. Taste
No,
it first.
Wait, a grape, half a grape. Wait, could we wait a minute? I want to try half a grape on it.
Go. And our we have some grapes. We have some great grapes. They're really juicy and they're firm and they're.
Look, I think this is the new best idea.
A grape on cornbread. All right, tell us how you're going to eat your cornbread. Thank you.
It's really, really good
Bye.
with a grape.